How to add transparent background in Instagram story. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. Launch your Instagram application. After that, go to plus icon, go to story, then simply select a story. Then you have to go to this three dot, go to draw, then select a color and tap and hold on the screen. Make sure you choose a lighter color, and that way you will be able to add a transparent background. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.